Hi, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this Valentine's Day look. Your girl is popping, being all, creative and whatnot with the little hearts and whatnot like everybody else and their mama and whatnot. I actually got this inspiration from, I will actually insert the picture or screenshot of the girl where I got this look from, kind of. Hers was definitely a lot more colorful, but I really just wanted to use, my pinks. That's what I wanted to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that. Tell me what y'all doing for Valentine's Day. Give me the tea, because your girl right here, I think I talked about this. I mentioned it in my last video, but your girl right here is gonna be probably at home.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But yeah, but anyways, before I get into the video, I was really excited about using this right here, this poppin' behind color. Actually, I feel like, you guys, I found a dupe for the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid, whatever it's called, glitter and glow, whatever. I feel like I found a dupe for it. I found the Milani, it's called the Milani Hypnotic Lights Holographic Eye Topper. And literally, that's what I used to fill in the little heart. I will have zoomed in pictures of this look so you can actually see, and actually when I get into doing my eye makeup, you'll see a lot better me zoomed in and me doing the steps. But overall, like, that, literally this was the greatest purchase, because like literally, y'all know this cost like $24 and this bigger one cost $30. So this right here, literally I got it from Ulta the other day and it was $5. It was on sale. It's a regular $10 and I got it for $5. Like, your girl was hype, okay? And literally it's an affordable dupe. That's basically what all I had to say. Like, I'm repeating the same thing over and over again, but you know what? It's okay. But yeah, let's just get right into this video. I am going to take my Take Me to Brazil palette. It's funny because I just noticed yesterday that it is now being sold in Ulta. Light pink shade right here. Okay, so next I am going to go into a darker pink. The Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And I'll try this pink next. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to go in with a darker shade, I believe. Yeah. Which I'm just going to use black. I just want to. I'm feeling risque. So I'm going to take a flat brush and just go back into my BH Cosmetics, Take Me to Brazil, and just take this black right here and just go like in the outer corner of my eye. Maybe I should have used purple, but it's too late. I already went into the black. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 25 medium, and like I said, cut my crease. Okay, I decided to do a voiceover in this part because when I actually did the look, I explained it, but it literally took me like 50 years. So the second time I did it around, it was a lot quicker. So basically right here, I'm just taking the red NYX liquid liner, and I am just drawing the heart, like literally, and then filling it in. The next thing I end up doing is taking the white NYX liquid liner and just outlining the heart. Then I take the Milani eye topper and I just basically put that little glitter in the middle of the heart. After that, I forgot to fill in that little blank space with a pink. So I just take a small brush and get like a light pink and fill that in. And then I line my lid with some black eyeliner. And that's basically it. So I ended up using today the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the color Bronze 51 or 651. And I also use my Baby Skin. Now this color is a little light on me, so I don't know how it's going to show up on camera today. So right now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I'm really just going to get rid of that. Oh, and this is the color Warm Honey, yeah. And I also go back into the medium. And a little extra highlight than usual because it's Valentine's Day look and gotta be popping. The next thing I do is I go into my beautiful bronze and contour my cheeks. Sasha Buttercup powder and set my face, and I also use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette to set my contour. Next thing I'm going to do is go into my baked powder blush and just go over my cheeks. And then I'm just going to set my entire face with my Black Radiance powder. I am going to set my face with my NYX matte finishing spray. Oh, my eye was open. Now I'm going to throw on. Now I'm just gonna do like a, I don't know if I'm gonna do a nude lip or a pink lip, but I know I want gloss. So I'm going to line my lips with this Club Hopper NYX Liquid Suede. And yeah, I guess I'll do a light pink. I'm going to take this Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in the color Glace. I want something a little lighter than that, so I'm going to find something else and I'll be back with my lashes on also. Okay, I'm back, you guys. I put my lashes on. And I think I'm going to use this Respect the Pink NYX Liquid Suede and put that in the middle. I need a pop. And let me just add a little bit of my e.l.f. gloss. Still not pink enough for me, but it's just gonna have to do. I'm gonna use my NYX white eyeliner. Let me add a little bit of that under my eye. Okay, now let me get back into the masquerade palette and use that pink that I used in my crease and put it right up under my eye. Okay, you guys, I am actually finished with this look. It actually took forever, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, Queen Beauty out.